First, make sure you have the Walmart app downloaded from your app store and you're logged into your account if you haven't already. You'll need to link a payment method. To do this, navigate to the account section, then select payment methods. You can add a credit or debit card, or even link your Walmart Pay for seamless transactions. This only needs to be done once. Now, when you arrive at a Walmart gas station, open the app, look for the Services tab or a dedicated fuel icon on the home screen. Once you select fuel, the app will usually try to detect your location. If it doesn't, you can manually search for the Walmart gas station you're at once located. You'll be prompted to enter your pump number. Double-check the pump number on the physical pump to ensure you're activating the correct one. After entering it in the app, you'll see a confirmation screen. Before confirming, the app will show you any eligible discounts from Walmart Rewards or your Walmart membership, instantly applying them to your fuel purchase. This is where you save big. Tap Activate Pump and the pump will be ready to go. You can then proceed to fill your tank. As usual, your payment will be processed automatically through the linked method. Once you're done fueling, you'll receive a digital receipt in the app, making it easy to track your fuel expenses. It's that simple to save time and money fueling up at Walmart.